Today we're making creamy bacon pasta. And we'll be using about 300 grams of bacon. So I sliced these into about 1/2 inch strips. And in a hot pan, so just add them without oil. Because we want to extract the oils from the fat of the bacon. You don't need to toast your bacon. So as soon as you see some caramelization, like this one here, you can switch off the heat. Then you can put your bacon in a separate container. Next step, in the same pan, add some olive oil, some butter, melt your butter. I sliced 1 medium-sized onion finely. This is 6 cloves of garlic and 8 pieces of shitake mushrooms. So these are dried mushrooms that I have rehydrated 2 hours ago and sliced into thin strips. Okay, and first step is to saute your onions. Then add in your garlic. So be careful not to toast the garlic because it's going to taste bitter if you do. As soon as you get to smell the onion and the garlic, add in your mushrooms. Okay, next add back your bacon. Then add about a ladle of the pasta water. So while I was cooking earlier, I already boiled my pasta. So add in about a ladle of that. Maybe a bit more. Okay. Then open a pack of all-purpose cream. So 250 ml. Put all of that. Then mix. Okay. So I boiled my pasta for 10 minutes. You can add it to the sauce. This is 500 grams of spaghetti. Now you can switch off the heat. Okay. Then mix in the sauce. So make sure you save some of that pasta water, because that is what's going to add some body to the sauce and thicken it a bit at the end. But just remember that the pasta water has salt in it. That's why I haven't seasoned this yet. Because if we season at the start and then you add some pasta water, it's going to be too salty. So at this point, I'll add some pepper. Should be good. And a bit of salt. And I like to add grated Parmesan cheese as well. maybe a bit more pasta water. And then mix. Okay, that should be good. Last step is let's taste. So in the Philippines, this is typically known as carbonara, but this isn't carbonara. Real carbonara is actually made without cream. They use egg yolks for that. Okay. So let's taste. Get some of that bacon, piece of the mushroom, and some of that pasta. Okay. So the seasoning is just right. I didn't add any more salt because, as mentioned earlier, the pasta water already has enough salt in it. So make sure to season at the end and make sure to taste. And there's just enough cream to flavor the pasta. You don't need to use too much cream. Just make sure that it's enough to coat all of the pasta. And because you used rich ingredients like bacon, it really adds a lot of flavor and mushroom to the dish. Plus the added cheese, the parmesan at the end, really makes it a lot more creamier. And we're done for the day.